Welcome to another episode of Elaine Success Tips, where Vancouver's top real estate agents learn proven secrets for success. This episode is brought to you by Elaine Ng from Dominion Lending Casa Mortgage, the #1 mortgage choice for Vancouver home buyers. Now here's your success tip.
Welcome to our new 6-part video series titled 6 Deadly Realtor Referral Mistakes That Kill Your Business Growth, and most importantly, how to avoid them. In this new series, you're going to learn the secrets, the tactics, the strategies on how to explode your referrals and take your income to a whole new level. Realtor referral mistake number 4 is relying solely on word of mouth. Studies show that referrals are less price conscious, more loyal, more likely to send referrals than clients generated via other marketing methods. And here's the best part, they're free. It's no wonder why referrals tend to be the #1 source of new business for most established realtors. It's the single most profitable, easiest way to grow your business, bar none. There are only 3 ways to get referrals. Number 1, through word of mouth, or WOM for short. When your clients and/or referral partners endorse you as their recommended realtor. Number 2, by simply asking for them. Yes, the old saying, ask and you will receive, still holds true. The secret is asking effectively without begging. Number 3, through referral systems that automatically generate referrals on autopilot while you sleep. All 3 are legitimate methods of receiving referrals. However, they all deliver a varying amount of referrals. Here's what I mean. Let's start off with word of mouth. This method delivers the least amount of referrals and is very inconsistent because it relies on your clients and referral partners remembering to talk about you at the perfect time and moment. What about when you ask for them? Well, even though this method can sometimes feel uncomfortable, it gets you a moderate amount of referrals because you are proactively requesting for a list of people that might want to do business with you. Lastly, referral systems. This method generates the highest amount of referrals because the referral generating process is based on an event-based system. It's not reliant on your memory, mood, or motivation level. As a realtor, it's important that you move beyond relying on sporadic word of mouth and start investing most of your referral marketing time setting up and improving referral generating systems that bring you prospects without any manual intervention on your behalf. Why referral systems? Well, let's suppose for a moment that you do ask for referrals. Do you ask all your clients? Do you ask them every time you see them? Probably not. Why? Because it's not a systematic process for you. There's not a bell that goes ding to remind you to ask for a referral every time you're with a client, or even some of the times you're with a client. But if you really want a lot of referrals, I mean an avalanche of referrals, you need to have a systematic process for getting them. Systems are business processes that have predictable results and outcomes because they happen the same way every time, day in and day out like clockwork. I like to think of systems using this acronym: save you stress, time, energy, and money. If you want to get more referrals, you need to implement referral systems. And the referral system needs to be event-based, not relationship-based. Note, I'm about to ruffle a lot of feathers with this one. It goes against everything you've been taught about getting referrals. So now let's talk about event-based referral systems, the secret to getting a steady, predictable stream of quality referrals. A lot of so-called referral gurus who teach you about getting referrals will tell you that if you nourish your relationship with your client, they'll give you referrals. That's not necessarily true. I'll bet some of the clients you've gone the extra mile for to provide them excellent service haven't given you one single measly referral. Am I right? Why is that? Because they're crazy busy with 1,000 other things on their mind and life just gets in their way. Can you relate? If you rely on just your relationships to get your referrals, you'll be sadly disappointed if you're not already. The secret to getting a steady stream of referrals is to build the referral process into the transaction. That's right. You need to build your referral system into the event. Here are 3 great examples of event-based referral systems. Example number 1. After you sign a new client, send your client a thank you card with a surprise gift. Nothing attracts referrals more powerfully than a wow experience. Even before the deal closes, start sending all of your new clients a thank you card that thanks them for entrusting their real estate needs with you. Enclose a surprise gift like a Starbucks card or movie tickets. and watch as your closing rate and referrals skyrocket. Example number 2. After you close a deal, send your client a thank you card, again with a surprise gift. Like the previous card, this one says, "Thank you for entrusting your real estate needs with me." Except this time, it's sent with an even nicer surprise gift, such as a box of brownies, a gift basket, a restaurant certificate, or something like that. The key is to send them something that has them say, "Wow." The more wow factor you have, the more they'll be naturally motivated to refer you, especially if you remind them how important referrals are to your business. Example number 3, your client's and/or referral partner's birthday. For best results, follow up with a phone call. Here's a sample script. "Hi, Mr. Jones. This is John Smith from ABC Realty. I know we haven't talked for a while, but I figured if there's ever a good time to reach out and reconnect with you, this would be the day. Happy birthday." Simple as that. Don't mention anything about referrals. The referrals will follow. Can you see how just implementing these 3 simple referral systems can have a dramatic impact on your referrals? If you'll take the time to test them in your business for the next 90 days, you'll find they're like little hinges that swing open big doors to big breakthroughs in your referrals. As an added value service, we can provide you with turnkey templates and systems for implementing each and every strategy featured in this video. For more information on how we can help you grow your business, call us today.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Elaine Success Tips. If you have any questions or comments, please call or text message to Elaine today at 778-908-2447.